Welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can power on and power off manually SoundCore Life P2i. So we're gonna make it by using these buttons. So as you can see right now I'm connected, but when I'm gonna click and hold both earbuds at the same time, after a few moments this connection status disappears. There it is. And to power them on, we have to do the same. So click and hold together. Okay, looks like it's not connected back, but I guess we have to just go back from the Bluetooth settings. Okay, right now when you tap on them once, they will be connected back. So in my cases, it's not working automatically. I mean, when I turn them on, I just have to click on them once on the name of the earbuds to let them connect back. But that's how we can power them on and off. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.